Question 6. We are asked to find the HCF of 54 and 90 using prime factorization method. So I'm going to find the HCF of 54 and 90, beginning with the least prime number, and the least prime number is 2. So can 2 divide 54 and 90? Yes. Reason being that 54 is divisible by 2 because the last digit, which is 4, is a multiple of 2. And for 90, 0 being the last digit is said to be divisible by 2. So this is the condition for numbers that are divisible by 2, that the last digit must be a multiple of 2. So 2 into 54, 2 into 5 is 2 remainder 1. This becomes 14. 2 into 14 is 7. 2 into 9 is 4 remainder 1. This becomes 10. 2 into 10 is 5. 2 can no longer divide 27 and 45 because none of the last digit is divisible by 2 or is a multiple of 2. So I will then look for the next prime factor, which is 3. Is 27 and 45 divisible by 3? Let's find out. For a number to be divisible by 3, the sum of its digits must be divisible by 3 or must be a multiple of 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, and 4 plus 5 is 9, which is also divisible by 3. So 3 is a common factor between 27 and 45. So 3 can go into 27 9 times, and 3 can go into 45 15 times. These are still divisible by 3. So 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 15 is 5. But at this point, there is no common factor that can divide 3 and 5. So therefore, our HCF is said to be equal to 2 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. So the HCF, which is the highest common factor of 54 and 90, is said to be 18. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next question on this exercise on HCF.